With SDK 2.0.0, the Raspberry Pi Pico has a new VSCode extension, which is the most straightforward approach to getting going with the toolchain and building C and C++ and indeed Python applications. I've been working with the Pico SDK since the first release, but I'm not historically a fan of VSCode or working exclusively in an IDE. I'm quite impressed though. There are some things I need to change in my projects to get this to work properly though. Let me tell you all about it. Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, Pico 2, robotics, IoT and other fun tech. Remember to subscribe and join the community. This is my 3-minute summary on the Pico VSCode extension. If you have time, why not check out the full video? SDK 2.0.0 has given us a new VSCode extension and a consistent setup approach across Windows, Mac and Linux environments. Yes, there are a few prerequisites which are different across those environments. Installing VSCode and then the Pico extension is really easy. You can then build from a Pico example and have the code running in a few clicks on your Pico, either via boot cell or SWD using a debug probe. This isn't entirely true picture, as many more complex project structures using subfolders or libraries or variables in the project name won't work. For those, you need to switch to using the CMake tool extension for the build process, but then flash and debug with the Pico extension. This is beneficial anyway, as it gives you access to all the things like make clean, to clean up your environment or build tests. You have access to the serial terminal for telemetry as well, and the debugger tool for, of course, to be able to debug your code. What you can't do with this approach is use any of the command lines outside of VSCode. So if you, like me, still want to tinker on the command line, then you'll still need to install the toolchain separately. If you like this video and it helps your learning or projects, why not drop me a cash tip using the super thanks button below the video. Remember, I'm saving these up to get myself to open source in San Francisco next year, and I'd appreciate your help in getting me there, and I hope to see you there too. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then please do hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. Bye bye for now.